We are from TRUTONE, the i-JaMCSIIX team of Tadulako University, the Information System study program.
Right now, we will introduce our innovation in priority road repair using a Geographic Information System.
Hello, my name is Mualim Khalifah and I am the leader of this team.
And hello everyone, my name is Cahya Nabila, Mannassai.
And hi, my name is Lila Vimala.
In Indonesia, the match routes are something we often encounter, especially in Central Sulawesi province in our city of Palu, Sigi Regency. We all know that roads provide access for people to carry out their daily activities, but the current condition of roads in Sigi Regency is still very much unstable. Based on data from the Sigi Regency Public Works and Housing Agency, between 2020 and 2023, more than 150 kilometers of roads experienced damage, ranging from the light to severe. These roads damage is caused by various factors, such as aging infrastructure, increased heavy vehicle traffic, and the impact of natural disasters such as earthquakes and flash floods that have hit the region. According to reports from local police, road damage contribute to more than 25% of traffic incidents in the last 3 years. Furthermore, the distribution of goods and the service has been disrupted, particularly in remote areas that rely on road access for daily needs. This has resulted in increased logistic costs of up to 50% and reduced community productivity.
Road repair efforts are often suboptimal due to budget constraint and the lack of data-driven planning. Therefore, we implement the simple multi-attribute rating technique, or we can say SMART method, which can be a solution for measurably prioritizing road repairs, which we call Sigi Road Smart. Based on the existing problem, we attempt to design a Geographic Information System by combining the session support system technology to determine road repair priorities without visiting the location. These two technologies we combine into a single system that can assist in determining road repair priorities carried out by the Sigi Regency Public Works and Public Housing Agency Highways Division, which is currently still done manually. Our system primary function is to prioritize road repairs. This means the system processes incoming data and generate recommendation or ranking of which roads should be repaired first.
Okay, welcome to our project Sigi Road Smart. First, users log in with their credential to access the system features. Okay, login success. Next, admin can add a new user account by filling in the necessary information. This allows multiple users to access and manage the system. Next, in Jalan section, we have road feature. Admin can add candidate roads for repair by selecting multiple points on the map. For example, move to Palu, Sigi. Kompleks Pengau Indah. Okay. The system will automatically calculate the road name and length based on the select point. Okay. Success. Next, in the criteria section, user can add a new evaluation criteria. For example, kemudahan akses, the weight 0.1, add. Okay. Next, once the road and criteria are set, we move on the penilaian filter. Here, user choose a specific road and provide score for each criterion. Okay. Jalan Kompleks Pengau Indah, for example, 50, 60, 100, and okay, the data success added. Next, finally, in the Rencana section, the system rank all roads based on the score, the weight given. Like this. On the first Jalan Pengau, Kompleks Pengau Indah, with the score 62, 62, and the second Jalan Keramik with the score 53.4. User can view a visual map showing which roads should be priority for repair, like this. Okay. The system simplify the decision-making process for road repair planning by combining smart analyze and GIS visualization. That's all from us, the i-JaMCSIIX teams from Tadulako University. With Sigi Road Smart, road repair decision become faster, more accurate, and data-driven. We believe this innovation will not only improve road quality but also enhance safety, reduce logistic costs, boost community productivity, and paving the way to a better future. Thank you.